Types of CNC machine, definition, operation, working, materials and support software. The term CNC is the short form for computer numerical control, which usually employs machine tools and computerized controls to get rid of layers of fabric from a stock piece. The fundamental CNC machining method includes the subsequent stages: the execution of the machining operation, the preparation of the CNC machine, the conversion of the CAD file to a CNC program, CAD model designing. Types of CNC machining operations. 1. CNC milling. Milling could be a machining method that employs rotating multi-point cutting tools to get rid of material from a piece of work. 2. CNC turning. The capabilities which are operational of the turning method mainly consists of grooving, boring, thread cutting, and facing. As soon as it is available right below in CNC lathe, milling, with its rotating cutting tools, works higher for additional advanced elements. However, lathes, with rotating workpieces and stationary cutting tools, work best for quicker, additional correct creation of spherical elements. 3. CNC drilling. Drilling could be a machining method that employs multi-point drill bits to provide cylindrical holes within the piece of work. Operational capabilities of the drilling method embody counterboring, countersinking, reaming, and sound. Types of CNC machine. 1. Grinding CNC machine. Grinding CNC machines are precision performance tools which use a rotating wheel for cutting the metal away from metal. Generally, grinding CNC machines were used for ball bearings, camshafts, transmission shafts and several of other working pieces which need a correct and accurate finish. Several pieces which are made by using a grinding CNC machine are generally cylindrical. Grinding machines are used for making various types of workpieces. In grinding CNC machines, the CNC stands for the computerized numerical control. 2. Lathe CNC machine. These machines can be defined by the capability they have to turn the materials while the operation was going on. Lathe CNC machines have less number of axes as compared with milling CNC machines, which makes them compact as well as shorter. At the center, the CNC lathe machines have a lathe which transfers and manages material programmatically to the computer. Due to its accurate and fast function, it is widely used nowadays. 3. Plasma cutting CNC machine. Plasma cutting CNC machines are similar to milling CNC machines. They are used for cutting materials also. By the use of plasma torch, they are different from milling CNC machines. They perform the cutting by electrically conductive materials with the use of an accelerated stream of hot plasma. Plasma cutting CNC machines feature high-powered torch which is able to cut within the rough materials like metal. 4. CNC electric discharge machine. It has a transient effect, which means that it is able to degrade element from which it is presented. These machines have advantage of these features by designing controlled sparks for reshaping materials. The materials are placed in between the bottom and top of electrode, and then the computer decides the amount of electrical discharge produced by the electrodes. 5. Laser cutting CNC machine. These machines are generally designed for cut through hard materials. For performing the cutting task, they use a laser in place of plasma torch. Lasers used by these machines have a very high degree of accuracy, but they are less effective than plasma torches. Laser cutting CNC machine generally uses any one of these lasers, which is CO2, yttrium, aluminum, garnet, and neodymium. 6. Router CNC machine. Router CNC machine work like other CNC machines work, such as milling or lathe. 7. CNC machine with automatic tool changes. CNC machine with automatic tool changes are generally used for reducing the non-productive time. 8. 5-axis CNC machine. These machines have 5 axes. 5-axis CNC machine are used for producing sculptures. Generally they have 3 axes, which is X, Y and Z. The cutting operation done by any tool in 3 directions, but 2 axes are added, A and B, resulting into 5 axes. 9. Pick and place machine. Pick and place machines are used in industries. These machines have many nozzles, which is used for lifting electrical components for electronic equipment, and then they place them in right place. They are usually used for the manufacturing of computers, tablets and cell phones, etc. 10. 3D printer. In 3D printer machines, elements are printed layer by layer. The drawing and design are done by CAD and CAM, and the 3D printer are used for reflecting the designs. 3D printer is used for printing the premises and buildings. Types of CNC machining support software. 1. CAE software. CAE code is employed as helpful support tools in engineering analysis applications and diagnosis to assist with evaluating and modifying product style. Forms of CAE code accessible in body finite part analysis, FEA, multibody dynamics, MDB, and procedure fluid dynamics, CFD, code. 2. CAM software. Computer-aided producing, CAM, is taken in use to measure programs used and then extract the technical data from the CAD model and ultimately generate machine program necessary to run the CNC machine. CAM code permits the CNC machine to run while not operator help and might facilitate finished product analysis. 3. CAD software. Software package, CAD, code square measure programs a custom draft and turn out second vector or 3D solid half and surface renderings. The styles and models generated during a CAD program square measure, usually utilized by a CAM program, are used to form the required machine program to provide the half-via CNC machining technique. CNC machining material. Wood. Plastic, for example, PEEK, nylon, etc. Composites. Metal, for example, aluminum, brass, stainless steel, etc. Foam. The best material for choice to use to a CNC producing application is essentially keen about the actual producing application and its specifications. Most of the materials can supposedly be machined given that they'll face up to the machining process, i.e., have ample hardness, lastingness, shear strength, and temperature and chemical resistance. Thanks for watching.